You don't even want to know how loud that is. It's a 2021 Softail Standard. It's got 3,723 miles on it. I don't know who makes that exhaust or if that was homegrown, but that is loud. It's got a exhaust wrap, custom exhaust obviously, high flow air intake. Let's see what else. It's got custom pegs and shifter and brake lever. It's almost like BMX style. It's the cutout kind. Set up for one-up riding. It's got the tinted out turn signals, but they're not LED. They're regular halogen bulbs. Looks like they wrapped the shift lever so it wouldn't screw up their boots with a little electrical tape, because that stuff is pretty grippy, that BMX style stuff when they machine it. Of course, it's got the standard LED headlight, comes with the Softail standard. It's a truly unique bike. If you're looking for something a little different, a little bobber-esque, come on in, check it out.